wasps. Sure enough, look at that. A little chipmunk thing in my garage. I know I can hear you. Look, I ain't gonna kill you. I just need photographic evidence so my landlord fucking believes me, okay? That's all I need. Now, be cool. I promise I'm not gonna kill you. I'm not gonna hurt you. There you are. I know. I know. But you need to leave. Alright, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna go back in the house and you stay in the garage, okay? Alright, my little furry friend? Wherever you went to. Oh, there you are. There you are. I see you. Right back in there. There you are. Okay. I'm gonna go back in the garage and you just stay put.